How to set up a keyboard and mouse on Xbox Series X. Xbox Series XS games are typically best played on a controller, but many of them also support mouse and keyboard input. Setting up a keyboard and mouse on Xbox consoles is a relatively simple process, though there are some caveats to keep in mind after the setup is complete. For now, we'll teach you how to set up a keyboard and mouse on your Xbox Series XS. What you'll need: an Xbox Series X or Xbox Series S console. These tips will work for Xbox One consoles, too. A USB mouse. We recommend checking out our best gaming mouse guide to ensure you're getting the best experience. A USB keyboard. Any keyboard will do, but once again, a quick look at our best gaming keyboards guide will help inform you on which you should be using. How to connect a mouse to your Xbox console. Connecting a mouse to your Xbox Series XS console couldn't be easier. You'll notice that the front side of your console has a single USB port. All you need to do is plug your mouse into the slot. The biggest thing to keep in mind is that, as of yet, the Xbox dashboard doesn't support mouse navigation. Right now, their use is tailored exclusively to games that support mouse input. If you want to customize your mouse experience further, grab your controller and hit the Xbox Home button in the center. Navigate to Profile and System, followed by Settings and then finally Devices and Connections. Select Mouse next, and you'll be able to customize various settings like cursor speed and the ability to swap inputs for the primary and secondary mouse buttons. How to connect a keyboard to your Xbox console. Much as you did with the mouse, you can connect your keyboard to your Xbox console by inserting it into one of the USB ports on the system. Keyboard usage on Xbox is a lot more robust than its mouse counterpart. For one, you can navigate the console's dashboard freely using the arrow keys and select with Enter. There's also a number of shortcuts, tied to the Windows key, that'll let you access various sections of the dashboard. Here's some examples. Windows plus backspace, go back. Windows plus I, open Settings menu. Windows plus X, open Power menu. Don't forget to hit up the like button and to subscribe our channel.